as he used to sing in the early years of our ashram. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram
Yesterday, Papa was telling us that after every bhajan, there should be a pause moment so that we try to assimilate the theme. Otherwise, the hearing part will be over and we are back to square one. The bhajan rendered by Sri Krishna Ji, it's a very powerful bhajan. And if we keep on thinking about the theme contained therein, it will be a very, very great use for our inward journey. Once again we will read that to attain God is to be like God-like. Just as a river reaching ocean becomes that itself, in the depth of communion, in tune with Spirit Divine, there is no distinction between the seeker and the sought. The thought is there, Thought comes from a thoughtless base. Absence of thought, which is peace, which is stillness. So this becomes one with it, and then the sound becomes floating, There is no sense of individuality there. Though apparently there is a sense of individuality. The sense of individuality is as it were floating in it. This is what Papa wanted all of us to do. Dive deep within. Know the truth. The soul itself is the oversoul. The individual soul, that itself is God. Thy life, God's own life. There is no bhed. There is no difference between this individual and the Almighty Lord of the universe. That is the state. We have to idealize that state. Thy life, God's own life. Thy body, His very form. Because there is none but He, thou and He are one. Keep on thinking about it. When we hear a bhajan, when we do Ram Nam, this is what is expected of us. That is why He has composed such beautiful song. Now we will move to another one, which is also a touching one. Udara Tumi Santa. O Sadguru Mahatma, generous thou art, compassionate thou art, my mother and father. Words are not enough to describe how much you have done for me, the insignificant one. You have redeemed this ignorant soul, led me to the right path. Sant Sena says, I don't see the way I can ever repay the debts I owe you. Actually, this is also another touching one. Even the very, very life, the sense of individuality along with the life is a gift of God. But for Him, we will not exist here. He has given us everything through He has facilitated everything for us to live also. Not only that He has given a life to us, He has given us a sense of individuality. But at the same time, everything has been given to us unconditionally. Even whether we recognize Him or not, whether we remember Him or not, whether we worship Him or not, whether we ignore Him or not, He never withdraws Himself from us. Such is His Udaravanas. A mind full of gratitude, that is a must for a sadhaka, for a bhakta, speedy spiritual progress. Now we will hear.
Udara Tumi Santa. केवढा केला उपकार काय मानू मी पामर काय मानू मी पामर जड जीवा उद्धार केला मार्ग जाविला जड जीवा उद्धार केला मार्ग जाविला मार्ग जाविला सेना म्हणे उतराई होत काही दिसेना सेना म्हणे उतराई होत काही दिसेना होत काही दिसेना माय बाप कृपावंत माय बाप कृपावंत माय बाप कृपावंत माय बाप कृपावंत राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे हरि हरि गोपाल राधे श्याम हरि हरि गोपाल राधे श्याम 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 राधे हरि हरि गोपाल राधे श्याम हरि हरि गोपाल राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
Tune.
Mansa Vacha.
One bhajan sung by Amma, Manasa Vacha Karmana, നിരന്തരം എന്നെ സ്മരിക്കുന്നു എന്നിട്ടും എന്നോട് കനിവ് കാട്ടാൻ അമാന്തമെന്തേ പൊന്നമ്മേ. It's a beautiful, touching bhajan. So you will be singing in the Ramnam.
The same tune.
Same tune. So while we hear the Ramnam in the same tune, if possible, if we have that bhavana, it's a heartfelt prayer. I am trying to remember you by thought, word and deed, but still why are you not pouring your grace? Why are you delaying? There are so many such prayer in that particular prayer, but that bhavana is important. So many decades now, you have drawn us here, you have made us to associate with your thoughts, you gave us the holy and all powerful Ramnam, and we have been doing this Ramnam for decades now, with the hope that you will bestow us, that you are behind this. You have been with us, you are with us. But I should become aware of it, you know. Why are you delaying it to make me aware of thy presence within? You have been with me, otherwise I will not exist. You are with me, that is why I am existing now. But this fact I should know, you know. When I meet with men and matters, I am only there, you are not there. Why are you delaying? What more do you expect from me? This sort of heartfelt prayer should well up in our heart. So let us go along with the tune, these thoughts also. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Two, 3 points we wanted to share with you all. First thing is morning. The Ramnam will start at 6 o'clock. Today night also it will be there. So tomorrow the shift will be there from one Samadhi Mandir to another Samadhi Mandir. That will take place at 6 o'clock. Then 6:30, those of you who would like to be here, we can all assemble here. We will all have Ramnam here also. Up to 7:15, and from 7:15 we all go in an orderly way for the flower offering. We prepare ourselves, our mind with Ramnam. Just now we heard, Udhara Santa. You have given us everything. Though you were born in 1884 with that body, you made us to witness so many things in your life. From you only we knew about it. And at the age of 38, you chose to initiate the transition from an individual to a higher level. And then what all you went through and what all the experiences you have had, God blessed you with, and that you placed before us in all your teachings, in all your books. And you gave us that the aim of our life should be to reach that absence of otherness, universal love and service based upon the vision of divinity in everybody. For that you gave us Nam Dhyan Seva, the three-pronged approach. You made us to know about the existence, that we owe our existence to Him who is the indwelling reality. Otherwise you would not have known. We have developed the concept of God through temples, through Ishtadevatas, through Mahatmas. We got stuck there. But you kept on hammering to us that God is within you, God is within you, God is within you. He is in everybody, He is in everybody, He is in everybody. And you are slowly making us feel that you are taking us, leading us, guiding us. With that bhavana, we go there and offer our flowers at the holy feet of our masters. And then we all disperse and go back to Ramnam. Again at 4 o'clock we assemble here. Again there will be some bhajan and some sharing. Another point we would like to mention is, so far whenever we come to ashram, we were limiting our activities to either the bhajan hall or the Samadhi Mandir program or satsang. Now one more thing. If we all go back to the 1931, 32, 33, 34, 35, 38 period, Puja Mataji and Param Puja Papa, they were involving in developing this brick by brick, plant by plant. They did that. None of us had a glimpse of that life. How do we now? We say we owe everything to you. Papa used to hammer this truth that whatever you see, you should go to the origin, the source of everything. What we eat, when we are having this oxygen for our life's existence, when we are having water, when we are having this earth, when we are having this space, when we are having Lord Sun, whatever we have, the pulses, the grains, the vegetables, the medicinal plants, anything, suddenly we realize the gift of it. There is a beautiful quotation of Papa. Please get it imprinted in your heart. Behold divinity in every aspect of this world Leela. Not in a particular place, not in a particular situation, not in a particular object, not in a particular individual. Behold divinity in every aspect. How do we make a beginning? Papa has given us now one more field for us. Behind the L building, there is an Ayodhya coming up. There, when we enter, we will find how the Creator has beautifully brought out various types. One segment we have taken. Then we have to stretch it to all segments later. But to begin with one segment. So we request every one of you, from 10 to 12 in the morning and 3 to 4 in the evening, preferably 20-30 people. Please go there, see for everything. There are various boards that will highlight his varied manifestation. Same soil, same water, same sun, same air, same gardener. But you see different types of flowers, plants, different types of pulses, different types of vegetables, different types of medicinal plants. All, the input is same, output. We try to see him. It is not just merely going there and seeing the greenery is there. It's a journey, it's a sadhana. So we request all of you to kindly make use of this. Next time when you come, you can also involve yourself for an hour or two in the field work. We remember Mahatmaji's 11 vows, Ekadasha Vratam. When somebody wanted to join Sevagram, these 11 vows are a must. In that 11 vows, along with Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Swadeshi, Sharira Shrama is there. Because we are eating, we are making use of everything, what do we pay back? So when you go back to your own place, either you will directly plant a seed will be given to you. Whether you are in a flat or not, wherever it is possible, you will try to bring out one. If it is not possible, you will pass it on to a friend who can do that. That is okay. Because in the 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, there are 3 things which have been reminded to us: Yajna, Dana and Tapas. Whatever the Mother Nature has given, we have to pay back in the form of creativity. That is called Yajna. Whatever the society has given to us, we pay back in the form of Dana. whatever this body, mind, intellect, equipment has given to us, we pay for through the part of tapas. So, yajna, dana, tapas. This should be there. Whatever we have taken, we have to replenish. Otherwise, it will get dried up. So we have been taking so many things from Mother Nature, especially after the COVID. Now everybody will remember.
स्वामी जी, एक बार फिर से repeat कर दीजिए।
Once again, once again.
Which one?
यज्ञ
He will tell you in Hindi. Briefly explain this. Yajna-dana. Yajna-dana.
Mike is there only.
1 minute. So now, so as a payback, we will try, when the moment you go through the boards, you will get a clear picture, and every one of you will be given a copy of what is written in the board in the form of a pamphlet, plus 2 sets of seeds. When you go back, you will plant, or you will see that it is planted somewhere. This is where we are being. We are taking vegetables, We are taking so many things from Mother Nature. How do we pay back? This is an first attempt, an initial attempt to pay back. Udara Tumisanta, Sri Krishna ji sang, we have no words to express for all that you have given to us. Different types. Suppose only one thing is given, we may feel boredom, drudgery, So he has given us varieties. If Karela is given, he will give spices, he will give sweet things. He will give different tastes, in different tastes. Different types of fruits. Have we ever thought of it? This is something which we have to come back. Because the moment we become aware of what all has been given to us, the me and mine will become less and less. Otherwise, the me and mine will have a list of grumblings and complaints. But the moment we start thinking that what all he has given, right from the moment I am born till this moment, especially people will remember during the COVID moment, when people were suffering for breath, then we were paying money, for the oxygen. What do you call that?
Cylinder.
Oxygen cylinder. Very costly one. You know how much everybody thought about it. What is Mother Nature is giving us free. Where from we get it? Through trees. He is providing us the oxygen through trees. And the trees take back the excess of carbon dioxide that we are exhaling. So he is teaching us a wonderful tuition. There is one more quotation of Papa which you might remember. The world we live in is a school in which observation and experience offer us immense possibilities for self-improvement. Nay, the world itself is Guru or God. The world we live in is a school in which observation and experience offer us immense possibilities for self-improvement. Nay, the world itself is Guru or God. So we are making an effort. Papa has facilitated so many things for us. So in a miniature form, this is now initiated. So tomorrow we request all of you, not tomorrow itself, please. If everybody goes there will be confused. You may not be able to spend some time. Because 10 to 15 or 20 minutes you must spend. Then only you will have some ideas. So in batches you may try to go. Is there any method by which we can?
We are usually plan 8:30 to 9, 10:30 we are planned in the morning. Group wise we are given numbers when they can go.
Group wise, Sundar says, group wise 10:30 from 30.
8:30 morning.
8:30 is difficult. Somebody will be there, no? Okay. To explain.
10 o'clock somewhere.
10 o'clock.
Master will time change 10:30 but she will change
10
the
o'clock, 10
model
o'clock.
she has 10 to
10 to 12 or okay. 10 to 12 and 3 to 4. Somebody should be there to explain, otherwise they will be just going and coming back, no? So, you can reshuffle and make some arrangement.
We'll do it.
So from tomorrow, please get the guidance from Chandranand ji, so that you all go there in an orderly way, see everything in a calm and quiet background. Try to go through that boards, spend some time, mentally pray back to the Almighty who is there in the form of different varied manifestations, and as a prasad, the seed and pamphlet will be given to you. And when you go there, you will keep remembering. And when suppose you sow there in a bucket, in your own flat, when it is coming up, you will remember this word. Kindly do that. Again, we want to remind before we close that we are all here in connection with the Sannyas Saptaha of Birod Papa. He has prompted us to make an in-depth study of In Quest of God. In Quest of God, we were treating it as a travelogue of a aspirant. Papa's yatra, experiences he gained in the yatra. So we always did not attach it to ourselves. This 1 year, we are making an in-depth study to integrate the theme with our own life. That means when we go through one chapter, we are looking at ourselves. One example we will say, so that it will be very clear. Many decades back, 2 or 3 decades back, we had a 7 days Ramnam Kam Satsang program in Anand, that is in Gujarat. A lot of people had come from different places, and so one party came from Sidhpur. They could not attend the whole program, so they had to leave on a particular day. On that particular day, the topic which was discussed from In Quest of God was the Rameshwaram trip. Papa and Sadhuram were traveling, and then the TT came, and because they were ticketless travelers, they were asked to get down. Papa cheerfully got down. The Sadhuram started grumbling and complaining. He said, why should he not allow us to travel? We have got 6 miles to go. So Papa said, normally pilgrimages have to be taken on foot. But here God has been extremely kind enough to take us up to this, and only 6 miles we have to walk. So how to transform a seemingly negative situation to a positive one? How to accept everything cheerfully? Okay, this was elaborately discussed. Then back. The Sidhpur people they caught one bus and they had to get down at a particular place and catch another bus. Unfortunately, because they left by 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the evening, it was 6 o'clock, then it was announced that the bus is not there. So they have to walk about 4 to 5 kilometers. A good number of people were there. Next day they telephoned and informed us, only 5 kilometers. If Papa said only 6 miles, he made us only do that kept on coming back to us. So none of us felt there was any fatigue, there was any grumbling, there was any complaint. That means it is slowly entering into our life. It is not what Papa had written, we have read, we have stored in our memory, but it has come to our aid, a cushioning effect of transforming the seemingly negative to a positive one. So these are all the methods by which we try to imbibe, we try to go deep into it and make it a part of our own. So this is what is expected of us during this 1 year. So these 3 days we are having some program. Every time we should be reminded of this. We are going to undertake an in-depth study of In Quest of God for our speedy spiritual progress, which is expected of us by our beloved Papa, who has facilitated everything for us. We all know that if he had not taken that leap on 27th December, this ashram would not have come. We will not be sitting here. So with a heart full of gratitude, we have to pass through these 11 months and then try to make use of whatever he has given to us. It is very, very important that this particular visit of everybody should leave an indelible impression in everybody. It is not that we have gone there, attended some program and gone back. No. Papa wants every one of us to go in deep. Just now we say Milanya Gati Prabhuji first song, It's an attempt to go deep where finally, he gives us, he shows us, this is the goal. What is the goal? Abheda Bhav. The seeker and the sought become one. The sense of individuality and the substratum become one. I and he become one. My body becomes his body. So this we have to keep on hammering into our. And with that bhavana, morning to evening, whenever we chant Ram Nam, we are only praying this. You have been with us. You are with us. Make us aware of it. That is why we are offering this Ram Nama at your holy feet. You have been with us right from the moment you gave this sense of individuality. And you are with us. You are, because we are existing only because of you. But make us aware of your presence. This should be there. Whether we are attending Ram Nam, whether we are attending Bhajan, whether we are hearing something in Satsang, whether we are having our food, whether we are sleeping, wherever we are, this should come back to us. And intensely it should come back to us. So, nothing is possible without it. Nothing is possible if He doesn't pour His grace. So we at the same time pray to Him from the bottom of our heart. You have given us all these wonderful ideas. Intellectually we are 100% convinced. Kindly lead us to yourself. Enough is enough. Days are going. The song, the tune, Manasa Vacha Karmana is exactly like that. It's a beautiful bhajan. Because you are not conversant with Malayalam, you are not repeating it. And the final sloka, she says, you know that I have nobody except you. So you have to extend your hand of support and pull me out and lead me. That means a total surrender, no? So that should well up in our heart. Not merely an activity outside. It should go within, deep, deep, deep. We all pray to Him to pour His blessings on us for the speedy spiritual progress. Hari Om. Ram Nam.
Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Om Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Om Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Om 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 Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram. Jai Ram, Om Jai Ram, Jai Ram, 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 Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, 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 Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, 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 Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, 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 Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai
Hari Om. One more point we forgot to share with you. Tomorrow, Param Pujya Swami Padmanabhanji of Divine Life Society Rishikesh. He will be arriving here tomorrow morning. And with his blessings only, this centenary program are going to be initiated. He is coming from Trivandrum now. Tomorrow we will check up whether Swamiji will be able to also take part in the satsang program and share with us some of his wisdom teachings, if possible. Otherwise, Swamiji will be here day after tomorrow with request. So, we request all of you to kindly be here by 4 o'clock sharp. We will have some bhajan also. What is more important is, we have been blessed with this. He himself came forward to tell us, I am coming. The contact between the elders and the ashram, Anand Ashram, has been very, very, very close right from the beginning. So Swamiji will be here tomorrow. Hari Om. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Hari Om, Hari Om. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. All of you were able to hear? Very good, very good.
We are in the Anand Ashram, Swami.
Oh, you are in Anand Ashram. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very happy. Okay. So many people are there.